Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves statistics. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. The average of a set of 6 numbers is 83. One of the numbers in the set is reduced by 18 while the rest remains unchanged. What is the new average of this set? Well, the average equals the sum divided by the number of the values in the set, which is 6. We know that the average is 83. Now we change the set and want to know the new average. We know that one of the numbers in this set is reduced by 18, while the rest remains unchanged. So the total sum is reduced by 18, and we still have the same number of values in the set. Now, using the distributive property of division, we get sum divided by 6 minus 18 divided by 6. We know that sum divided by 6 is 83, and 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. Now, 83 minus 3 gives us 80, and that's it. We have found the new average, and the answer is D. Great. That's a typical problem that you may encounter on the ACT math test that involves statistics. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.